Hey, welcome to Cascade. My name's Joe. Are you building out a manufacturing strategic plan or editing an existing manufacturing plan, but you don't have anywhere to start? Well, Cascade has you covered. We've done the hard yards and actually built out a template for your particular manufacturing strategic plan to give you a starting base. So once you follow the link, you'll actually load into your instance and you'll have this data, as we can see here. And there's two things you can do. You can create a new plan within the same instance and use this as a template to just as a starting point. Or you can actually start editing all the information on this particular plan, changing the data points, assigning them to your team members to make this your plan. Just to give you a starting point so that you don't get bogged down on planning, which so many people do, and then strategy never becomes business as usual, and you never get onto the management, the execution, which drives the productivity and results throughout your whole organization. So for the data itself, we're looking here at our manufacturing strategy plan. We have our focus areas, several objectives that are relevant to the manufacturing industry. And if we open them up, we can see the KPIs and projects that your team members should be working on a weekly basis to actually achieve those objectives. Hope this all makes sense. Feel free to reach out to me or the team. We'd love to take you through the templates, contents, the software, even discuss a use case on how you can start executing, managing in a sustainable way and driving the results throughout your whole organization. Have a lovely day.